Our next topic is creating a chart to show specific values using crosstab in Tableau. A crosstab can be considered as a kind of a table that is considered as a pivot view of a simple table. The data in the crosstab is shown in the form of rows and columns, and all the numerical data or the measures are shown in the values depending upon your requirement. Any kind of calculations, for example the percentages, any running totals, average, sum, etc., that is any measure is displayed on the values. Also, similar visuals, that is the cross tab, is usually familiar with the name of text table in Tableau. Let's consider this example shown in the picture here. So this shows category and subcategory on the rows, year on the columns, and sum of profit divided along the category and subcategory and year, which is shown in the values. So this is how a cross tab is being done in Tableau. Let's see how to do it in Tableau. So open your Tableau desktop, and I have opened a new sheet, and I am taking the orders table from the Superstore dataset for our crosstab example, and I have renamed the worksheet as crosstab. So let's see how to create a crosstab. So for our requirement, we are considering the category and subcategory wise yearly sales or profit. Let's see how to create it. Let's take the order date along the column. It will take year automatically. Let's drag and drop category on the rows. Let's drag and drop subcategory on the rows again. So you will see it has automatically taken category on the rows, subcategory again on the rows, divided as category, and parallelly according to the category, the corresponding subcategory and the order date on the columns. Now let's take sales on the values. So how you can do is you can click it and drag and drop it on the values directly on the pane here. So how the cross tab will be divided is, now according to your category, your subcategory, your year, the values will be split. So this is how your cross tab is created in Tableau. Now let's see what all features or formatting options we can do on this cross tab. So now as you see, category and subcategory is a hierarchy. Parallel to this, we are considering the order date, and as we have seen in the previous videos or the previous visuals, it is again a hierarchy, as we can see a plus sign here. So now what you can do is you can click on this plus sign to view it at a quarter level, to view it at a month level, to view it at a different levels of the date. Also, if you want to view it at a category level, you can drill it up. If you want it to view at a both category and subcategory level, you can drill it down on the both the levels. So let's see how to do it. So if we hover over it, you can see a minus sign here. So if I click over it, it will hide the subcategory, and you can see it is the subcategory is hidden from here as well. Now if I again hover over it, a plus sign is available. I can click over it and subcategory would be visible. This is one way. The other way is from the rows itself, we can click on this minus and it would be hidden. Now if I click on this plus, again subcategory would be visible. The other way around is, so what we can do is we can right click on furniture and we can click on drill up. So what will happen is the subcategory would be hidden And if we right click on it and click on drill down, automatically the subcategories would be visible. So this is how we see the hierarchies working. This is across rows. If we want to do it across columns, we can click either on the plus of year. So it will be drilling down to whichever level we want. So if I clicked on plus of year, it drilled down to quarter. If I clicked on plus of quarter, it drilled down to month. If I click on plus of month, it drilled down to day. And you can see the division of data accordingly. So if we want to go back, I can click on the minus of the higher levels. So it will drill up accordingly. This is one way. The other way around is on the columns here, you can see a plus. You can click on this. You can see the levels going down. So if I click on this again, it went to the months. If I click on minus, it will drill up. So this is how we drill down and drill up on the different hierarchies across the columns and the rows. This is one of the use cases. And another use case can be, suppose like I need to show certain color coding. I need to provide colors to different values. So how I can do is, for example, I need to provide on the basis of sales only. I can drag and drop sales to the color, and you'll see the colors have changed. And on the right side, I can see the coloring pane, how the colors are being changing. So starting from the lowest to the highest, the gradient of blue is being changing, and we are well aware of it, how to modify it. If we need to modify it, we can click on this, we can click on edit colors, and we can divide it as per our requirement. We can choose a color of our wish. We can increase the stepped color, we can increase the level, we can change the size, we can change the color, we can reverse the color condition, we can use any full color range, we can apply a middle color. Whichever we want, we can, and we are well aware of it as per our previous sessions. So we can click on apply and OK. So depending upon the color range, the colors would be segregated. This is again one of the use cases that we can prefer to use. Thus, these are various formatting options that we can do on Crosstab. Thus, this is all about Crosstab in Tableau.
If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.